If you think your thing's going to the straight, to the left, to the right, take it on a road that you know is like this one right here. It's a pretty good road. I got no pullage. I can't just like cruise control it. I don't have cruise control, but it's really not pulling to any side. When I'm going fast and I'm on a highway, I do feel a little side to side, but I think that's because cars usually ride on the highway in the same like area, you know what I'm saying? Because you're going speed, there's like more of a rut there. So you're going on the highway and it's going to pull you to keep you in that rut, whatever the way the rut goes. So, but actually, you see this over here? This is these woods right here. A tornado went through here. My kid's great-grandmother used to live right there in this house, and a tornado went right through this here. All this was all trees, like lots and lots of tall trees. There's trees still there, but there were tall trees. And a tornado went and took them all down. It was awesome. Actually, me and my friend Mike, we actually hopped in a car and tried to chase the tornado, but we didn't find it. Because we ended up going like the other direction, because his mom was like, where the tornado started, his mom was there and we were trying to save her, and then we found out she was already saved, so we ended up trying to chase the tornado, and then we ended up running into a bunch of trees down and stuff, so we couldn't go no further. It was crazy, but it was fun times. I've actually, I don't know, it's been crazy of me to want another tornado, but sometimes I'd be wanting one so I could chase that. I wouldn't chase it on the Ryker though, because I probably, you know what I'm saying, that's crazy. But yeah. What else about this thing? My tire pressure, I haven't checked it. Seems good, but I have had like the hops on the front tire. Like you try to take a turn too fast, or like not even going fast, you're like at a stop, and you try to like take a 90-degree turn, you turn your wheel all the way, just try to gun it, your front wheel loses traction and it starts hopping, and it's like, holy shit, what's that? But obviously it's because it's understeer, so that's what it does. There's not enough weight on the front to keep those front wheels down when you try to burn out like that. So you got to get it started first, and then you got to gun it, you know what I'm saying? This is Wilbraham. This is where you don't want to be doing that kind of stuff. They don't like that kind of stuff here. I hope this brings me to a connecting road somehow. I don't know if I've ever been this way. I 90% of the time, I'm in sports mode. I'm in sports mode 90% of the time. If I'm going like far, where it's going like 30 minutes, no, not even 30 minutes. I'm going like on a, like, usually when I ride for about a couple hours, but I go in sports mode because I'm like in the city and stuff like that, and I like to burn out. But if I'm like going on a highway, going to like an hour drive, I'll throw it in Eco, save some gas for that ride, because I don't want to have to stop at the gas station 2-3 times before I get to my destination. So maybe one time, you know what I'm saying? I like to burn anyway, so stop, burn, get some gas. You don't burn at the gas station though, you know that obviously, guys. You don't want it, you know. What the hell? It's mirror. Yep, that's good. I'm gonna take this road to the right. It says the intersecting road. I'm gonna take that one. Oh, right here? I should have took it. Should have took it. I didn't. Oh, town. Oh, Hamden. Oh, no. No, we don't want to be in Hamden. I gotta pull over. I gotta pull over. Yep. Yes, I'm gonna pull over. There should be a way though. Cause like, we could pass my job and go to Hamden. What do I do for a living? No one's asked that, but they keep talking about my job, so you might want to know what I do for a living. I make saw blades. I make the best saw blades money can buy. Yes, I do. Well, yeah, well, I do too, but I work for the company that has the best saw blades in the world. So, if you want to know where I work, you Google the best saw blades in the world, might figure out where I work, what I do for a living. No, what I'm trying to do is get some of these YouTube sponsors and get some of that YouTube money. You know what I'm saying? If I can get paid to ride my Ryker, I would love to do that. I'd do anything you guys want me to do. You want me to go off a bridge? I'll freaking jump this thing off a bridge for a little bit of money. Woo. I don't know. I don't think an insurance company would like that. Alright, I'm gonna pull over and do some navigation. I don't know what this is. Someone's house? I see a dude right there, but let's do this navigation thing real quick. Work. 12 minutes. It's gonna tell me to turn around. It's gonna tell me to turn around. Let me see. Oh yeah. North Street. Oh no, it's not. Why can't I hear it though? Unmute it. Volume. I can't hear it, so I should be able to hear it once I start moving. Oh, now it's sucking. Oh no. Alright guys, this bag here, it's not good for navigating. That's one thing I gotta tell you guys. If you're looking to use this bag to put your phone in and to do some navigation, no bueno. Because you have to look down. You have to look down to see where you want to go, and that's not good to look down. So if you really want to use it for navigation, you're gonna use your phone. Oh, that's a nice golf course. Woo. If you're going to want to use your phone for navigating, you're going to want to get a RAM mount mounted right on your bars so you can see it right at a glance with this.